The final component is the optional agent. The agent provides endpoint visibility and control. It is able to deliver endpoint visibility and security policies, collect hardware and software information, control hardware and software on an endpoint, provide information relative to user account, security, and Windows Firewall control, control hardware options such as power, screen lock, and network interfaces. It can auto-provision 802.1x and WPA2 Enterprise network profiles. It also monitors and controls network traffic and connections. And finally, it can prohibit or require specific applications on the endpoint. Let's review how to install a Genian NAC agent on an endpoint and how to view the information it collects once it's installed. From your policy server, simply navigate to the /agent URL. You'll then be prompted to download the agent for the appropriate operating system. Once you click on that button and the agent is downloaded, simply run the executable to install the agent. You can also deploy the agent with Active Directory group policy or any other software distribution mechanism. Once the agent is installed on an endpoint, you can view all of the information collected by the agent. Here's an example of an endpoint with the agent installed. If we click on System, it will take us to detailed information regarding the hardware, operating system, network configurations, drive sharing, peripherals, user account information, etc. Clicking on the Network tab, we'll see information regarding network traffic, what ports are open, and which processes are open with these ports. If you click on Software, you'll see a full inventory of all software installed on the endpoint, including version numbers, etc. OS Update Collection is also available. You can see here all the OS updates when they were installed. There are also detailed log entries regarding any agent actions or information the agent collects about the endpoint. To view how policies can be configured for the agent, click on Policy and click on Node Policy. There you'll see Agent Action. All of these agent actions are available. These essentially will either collect information about the endpoint or control various aspects of the endpoint based on the information collected. To add these agent actions to a policy, you can create a policy, scroll down, and under the agent action portion of the policy, click Assign, and there you will see a pick list, and you can assign whichever agent actions you would like to be applied to that policy. For additional information on using agent actions and configuring policies, head over to docs.genians.com, click on Controlling Endpoints with Agent. There you'll find detailed instructions on how to configure all of the various agent actions and add those actions to policies.